How to switch accounts on survivor.io. Now in this video, this is going to be very quick. I'm going to teach you how you can switch between accounts on survivor.io. So if you pull up and open up the game or the application, you will not be able to see a direct option of account switching. But what I'm going to show you right now is to clear all the saved details that you have from survivor.io because that's the most convenient way, or that's our last option, whereas to switch to a different account. To do that, just simply head straight into your phone home screen. Now what you want to do next is to locate your survivor.io application, tap and hold, and then hit on the icon right here that will redirect you into app info. And then from here, scroll down under storage, go to storage, and then choose on clear data. Now, once you've cleared data, you will automatically be logged out on the current account that you logged in on Survivor.io. You just have to switch to a different account. And that's how you switch accounts on Survivor.io.